Alright, this is conclusion part 2. Basically I'm talking about transverse pulses right now. So, what goes on is that the wave moves across, left to right, and as the wave, like the pulse goes through, that's what sends it to each side, which is me and my partner that were moving the wave. I guess that's like the initiator. And then once it's done, it just goes back to its rest place, which is in the middle. The I guess if we were off beat, there would be an interference, and that would just mess up the wave, and it would go wherever it wanted and just mess up. Okay, so transverse waves is the same thing. You pull it back, goes forward, comes back opposite way. The pulse, you can actually see the pulse because you pull it back, and you can see the energy transferring through. And then, as it starts to slow down, it gets slower, and then it goes back to its rest place. Wasn't really any interference unless me or my partner moved, so it kind of just kept going until it stopped. Okay, so basically the amplitude of the reflected pulse, I guess, like it would be if it hit with each other, like it would mess up the entire sequence, and it would just mess up the entire the movement, I guess, of the wave. And then I guess the free one where it was held by a string, it would just continue, like it'd whip the string, and then it just continue to keep going as long as there was one of me or my partner moving it. And then a standing wave is just it's more of just a wave that's it's there, it's not really moving, it's just there. And was this lab worthwhile? Yes, it was. It taught us, how waves move through a slinky, which I would have never really guessed. I would have thought of something else. So was pretty cool. And then, yeah, I liked it. I thought it was pretty good. And that's part 2.